Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: Git installed and a GitHub account with a personal access token. Open your project in PyCharm and enable version control Git so PyCharm recognizes the repo. Next, go to Settings Version Control Git to point to your Git binary. Test it. Once done, set up your Git user. Name and user. Email in PyCharm or globally so commits are attributed correctly, and make the first local commit to prepare for connecting to GitHub. Now you'll connect PyCharm to GitHub using your personal access token. In Settings Version Control GitHub, add an account and paste the PAT. This grants PyCharm permission to create and push repositories. Then, go to Git Manage Remotes and add the GitHub repository URL as origin, or let PyCharm create it for you. After adding the remote, push your local branch and set up stream so future Git push and pull use the correct remote automatically. Finish by using PyCharm's VCS tools to commit, branch, merge, and create pull requests directly from the IDE. Make sure your branch is pushed and pull the latest to avoid merge conflicts. If authentication fails, regenerate a PAT with repo and workflow scopes, update it in Settings GitHub, and retry. Also, make sure you use the matching protocol. If you prefer SSH, add your key to GitHub and change the remote URL accordingly. This often fixes permission or connectivity errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.